This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Kia Soul. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Safety first. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath the car. Now, let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed from the engine. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Unscrew the old oil filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on. Hand tighten the filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Clean the drain plug and reinstall it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, slowly pour the new engine oil into the oil fill cap on top of the engine. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Start the engine briefly, then check for any leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.